Hi guys! Have you ever felt confused about how to combine text and image when making videos? If so, don't miss this video, and I will show you the motion design you saw in the intro, and I hope this can help. Open VideoProc and start a new project. First, find the text icon in the toolbar and click on it. In the inspector, add the word. Choose your desired font. Adjust the text size and modify the chart space value. Adjust the position of the text in the preview window. Scroll down to text shadow area and disable the shadow. Now, we click the camera icon above the preview window to capture the current screenshot and return to the main interface. Use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it and Ctrl+V to paste it afterward. Add the word in the inspector and adjust the position. Click the camera icon again. Now you have two text images. Import all the prepared materials in the text image. Click this button to add an overlay track. Drag the video material into the video track and adjust their duration. Select the clip, find the color icon in the toolbar, and click on it to turn the image black and white. Select the B&W filter on the left. Then adjust the exposure, contrast, and the saturation on the right. Once satisfied with the result, click Apply. Drag the first text image into the overlay track and adjust its duration to match a clip. In the inspector, add fading effect. Change the move-in direction and click Height to fit it to a screen. Scroll down to a composition area and add a Divide Blend mode. Find the motion icon in the toolbar and click on it to enter the motion editor panel. Move the playhead to a desired position and click Add Keyframe. Adjust the size box to fill the screen. Then, move the playhead forward and click Add Keyframe again. Resize the box to make the text smaller and add a speed curve to this keyframe. Continue forward and create a third keyframe without adjustments. Then a fourth keyframe and resize the box to make the text even smaller and add a speed curve. Add a keyframe at the last frame to maintain the effect. Now preview the effect. Click Apply to return to the main interface and select the next clip. Repeat the color correction in the Color and Filter Editor panel. Drag the next text image to a blank track. Split it into two parts at the appropriate position. And complete the basic editing and motion effects for the first part. For the second part, choose Screen Blend mode in the inspector. Now, let's refine the video. For instance, if there's a noticeable distortion, select the video and find Lens Distortion Correction in the inspector. Check it to correct the video. Now open the transition panel. Drag a transition between two clips and adjust its duration for smooth transition. Open the Effects panel. Drag an effect to the effect track. Adjust the duration and modify its application range in the inspector. Uncheck canvas so it only affects the video. Drag another effect right after it and complete editing. Now apply the same effect to a last clip. And don't forget to add music. Add it to match your video's duration and add a fade effect. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!